crash a party, turn it up without an invite. I be on the waves, be amazed how my pen right. I be on that ass player, you can call it skin tight. 30-something years, I've been known to get it in right. Flows intoxicating like it's Hennessy and gin night. I am not the type that's gonna bark first and then bite. You gon' get these fangs, rap gangs always in fight. But I think it's best that we keep the peace. We can all break bread and then eat the feast. All the slick talk, we don't need the grease. Cause everyone lose and we feed the beast. Competition causes our condition. This man over here is not your opposition. The real ops, your oppressors. Leaving pennies on your dresses. Wake up. Leaving pennies on your dresses. Wake up. Fighting over pennies and we fighting over crumbs. Warring in the wars and we fighting over slums. Get my hands dirty like I'm fighting in them scrums. Spit a verse in Nashville, tighten over drums. Take it as it comes, get it how it's given. Gotta be driven if you try and make a living. Highly motivated cause they widely overrated. Did it very different than they do it so they hate it. That's cool cause I'm used to it though. They said that OG got some juice to his flow. Now that's like stacks of facts on facts. This is like abuse to these cats on tracks. But competition causes our condition. That man over there is not your opposition. Listen, the real ops, your oppressors. Leaving pennies on your dresses. Wake up.